What if I told you that in 2026, AI will not replace you, but people who use AI will replace people who don't? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make money with AI in 2026, even if you're a complete beginner with no coding skills and no capital. Stay till the end, because I'll also show you the fastest AI income strategy right now. Welcome back to the channel. If you want to make money online using AI, automation and digital skills, this channel is for you. AI is no longer optional in 2026, it's now a tool for income, business and freedom. So let's break this down step by step. First, let's be clear. AI does not pay you money. AI helps you produce value faster. In 2026, people making money with AI are doing one of three things: selling AI-powered services, creating AI-powered content, building AI-powered digital assets. You don't need to build AI. You need to use it strategically. The fastest way to make money with AI in 2026 is selling services. High-demand AI services, AI content, writing, AI video creation, AI social media management, AI voiceovers tools, ChatGPT, Canva AI, InVideo AI, ElevenLabs. Earnings, $500, $3,000 per month. Businesses care about results, not tools. In 2026, content is currency. You can use AI to create faceless YouTube channels, TikTok and Instagram Reels, blogs and newsletters. Monetization, ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorships. This is slower at first, but powerful long-term. AI allows you to create once and sell repeatedly. Examples: AI prompt packs, ebooks, Notion templates, mini courses, tools, ChatGPT, Canva, Gumroad. Low effort, high scalability. Businesses in 2026 want chatbots, email automation, customer support systems. You don't code, you connect tools, ChatGPT, Zapier, Notion AI, 1,000 plus per client is common. Here's the truth: AI plus services plus content are fastest income. Start by selling AI services, building content around that skill, packaging knowledge into products. This creates multiple income streams from one skill, step by step. 1. Pick one. AI skill. 2. Learn one tool deeply. 3. Offer one service. 4. Deliver value. 5. Scale with systems. Don't chase every trend. Avoid this: trying to learn everything, waiting to be perfect, not charging for your work, giving up too early. AI rewards speed, consistency, and clarity. AI in 2026 is the biggest opportunity we've seen in decades. If you start now, you're early. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe for more AI income guides. Comment AI 2026 if you want a full beginner roadmap. See you in the next video.